Preparations are already underway for this year's flu season to avoid a repeat of last year's worst ever season that placed an unprecedented demand on WA hospitals. The government has announced an additional $140 million winter strategy to free up more beds and boost immunisation.
Katrina Carnicelli says she was shocked by how her mother was treated at Royal Perth Hospital after she says the 74-year-old was diagnosed with a brain tumour.
It was just limbo. They were giving her Panadol for her headaches, for the brain tumour. There wasn't much they could do there.
That's because her mother needed to see specialists at Sir Charles Gardner Hospital, but she says that meant waiting 5 days for a bed to be available.
The staff are amazing, but obviously we just need more finances put into it and just more beds.
The opposition seizing on the case.
Our hospital system is already on its knees and it's the end of February.
So is it going to be worse in winter? Of course it's going to be worse in winter.
To help manage growing pressures over the months ahead, the government's announced a $140 million winter plan. The bulk of that money will be spent contracting private hospital beds for elective surgery to create more room in public hospitals for emergency cases.
It's about increasing capacity. It's about supporting people to stay well and to recover at home. And it's about keeping patients moving through our hospital system.
There's also $14 million for vaccination programs and $20 million for a program to provide 24/7 remote monitoring of some patients after they've been discharged. But the minister can't guarantee the situation will be better than last year.
And we can't predict what the winter flu season will look like, but we've worked very hard to ensure that we've got important investments in initiatives that work.
We know the Northern Hemisphere's had a pretty brutal winter, so we are in for a bit of a shock there.
The AMA says this year's flu vaccine should cover those strains, potentially giving some reprieve. Kian Burke, ABC News.